हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। इस बार हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं इस साल के बोर्ड के रिपीटर स्टूडेंट्स का केमिस्ट्री का पेपर एंड वी आर सॉल्विंग सेट 3। फर्स्ट MCQ, which of the following has the highest value of pKa? Options are p cresol, phenol, p nitrophenol and n nitrophenol. So less the value of Ka, more the value of pK. So the answer is p cresol. Next, what is the product of Rimmer-Timmer reaction? Options are picric acid, salicylaldehyde, benzoquinone, or salicylic acid. When we react phenol with CHCl3 plus NaOH, it gives salicylaldehyde. So it is product of Rimmer-Timmer reaction. Third, which is the best reagent for gaining good product of aldehyde from primary alcohol? Options are heating with Cu at 573 Kelvin, KMNO4, CrO3 or PCC. So the answer is PCC. Out of the following compounds, which compound gives aldol condensation? Options are 2,2-dimethylbutanol, benzaldehyde, 2-methylpentanol and methanol. So the answer is C, 2-methylpentanol, because the compounds which contain alpha H or alpha D, they give aldol condensation. Next, what is the increasing order of acidity among the following? So the answer is CH3, CH2, COOH, then Cl, CH2, CH2, COOH, then F, CH2, CH2, COOH, and then NO2, CH2, CH2, COOH. Next, which of the following compounds does not give iodoform test? Isopropyl alcohol, acetophenone, acetone, or methyl alcohol. So the answer is methyl alcohol. Next, which of the following oxidizing agents is used for preparation of benzaldehyde from methylbenzene? When we react methylbenzene with Cr2Cl2, CrO2Cl2 in presence of CS2, it gives benzaldehyde. So the answer is CrO2Cl2. Which of the following amine compounds reacts with Heisenberg's reagent? So the answer is C6H5NHCH3, and this is the Heisenberg reagent. Next, when product of a monolysis of benzyl chloride is reacted with 2 moles of CH3Cl, what will be the final product? A option benzamine, second N,N-dimethylphenylmethanamine, third benzylamine, or N-phenylmethanamine. So when we react C6H5CH2Cl in presence of NH3, it gives C6H5CH2NH2. Then again, it gives C6H5CH2NH3CH3. So the answer is N,N-dimethylphenylmethanamine. Next, which type of isomerism is present in isopropyl amine and N-propyl amine? Tautomerism, functional group, position, or chain? So the answer is C, position. Which of the following compounds is used for preparation of one or more carbon-containing amine compound? Nitrile compound, nitro compound, amide compound, or alkyl halide compound? So the answer is nitrile compound. A. Which of the following sentence is true? On hydrolysis, starch gives glucose and fructose. Glycogen is example of oligosaccharide. On oxidation, gluconic acid gives saccharic acid, or glucose is non-reducing sugar. So the correct statement is on oxidation, gluconic acid gives saccharic acid. Next, which of the following structure of D is the structure of D-glycerol aldehyde? Answer is H, OH, CHO, CH2, OH. Next, out of the following, which property is shown by amino acids? Acidic, basic, neutral, or all of three? So the answer is all of three, D. Next, which of the following bases is not present in DNA? Uracil, thymine, cytosine, or adenine? So the answer is A, uracil. Next, total number of atoms present in face-centered cubic unit cell are dash 1, 3, 2, or 4. So the answer is 4. Which of the following is not a characteristic of crystalline solid? Pseudosolids or supercooled solids melts at a sharp and characteristic temperature, anisotropic in nature, or definite characteristic geometrical shape. So the answer is pseudosolids or supercooled solids. Next, a compound is formed by two elements P and Q. Atoms of the element Q as anions make CCP, and those of element P as cations occupy all the octahedral voids. What is the formula of the compound? So the answer is C, PQ. Next, if axial distance is A equals to B equals to C and axial angles alpha equals to beta equals to gamma, that is not equals to 90, then the crystal system is triclinic, cubic, hexagonal, or rhombohedral or trigonal. So the answer is rhombohedral or trigonal, D. Next, in which solution solute is liquid and solvent is gas? From the below, sodium of hydrogen in solution of hydrogen in palladium, chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas, camphor in nitrogen gas, or ethanol dissolved in water. Answer is B, chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. Next, 1 gram of carbon, 1 gram of a non-electrolyte solute dissolved in 50 gram of benzene lowered the freezing point of benzene by 0.4 Kelvin. The freezing point depression constant of benzene is 5.12 Kelvin kilogram per mole. Find the molar mass of the solute. So we can apply the formula delta TF equals to 1000 multiplied by KF multiplied by W divided by MB multiplied by WA, and then we can make MB as subject and then calculate the answer. So the answer is 256 gram per mole. Next, the pressure required for reverse osmosis is quite high. For this, dash membrane is used: pig's bladder, cellophane, cellulose acetate, or parchment. So the answer is cellulose acetate, C. Next, if 5 gram NaOH is dissolved in 450 ml solution, molarity of solution is dash. Na is given 23, oxygen 16, and hydrogen 1 gram per mole. So we can apply the formula molarity equals to mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute, which is multiplied by volume in liters. So when we put the values, we get 0.278 molar as the answer. Next, for the following cell, standard electrode potential E0 cell is dash. E0 Zn2 plus Zn is minus 0.76 volt, and E0 Cu2 plus Cu is 0.34 volts, and the cell is given Zn, Zn2 plus and Cu2 plus Cu. So we can calculate by E0 cell equals to E0 Cu2 plus Cu minus E0 Zn2 plus Zn. That is 0.34 minus of minus 0.76, and the answer is 1.1 volts, C. Next, in the following reaction, what is the value of equilibrium constant? Cu solid plus 2Ag plus aqueous gives Cu2 plus aqueous plus 2Ag solid, and E0 cell is given 0.46 volts. So we can calculate by the formula log Kc equals to NFE0 divided by RT. When we put the values, we get 3.92 into 10 to the power 15, D as the answer. Next, if a current of 0.5 ampere flows through a metallic wire for 2 hours, then how many coulombs would have flown through the wire? We can use the formula Q equals to IT equals to 0.5 multiplied by 2 hours. That is, when we convert into second, it becomes 7200 seconds. So the answer is 3600 coulombs, A option. Next, the order of reaction for following value of rate constant is dash. K equals to 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 5 liter mole inverse second inverse. So the answer is C, second order. Next, a first order reaction is found to have a rate constant K equals to 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 14 second inverse. Then the half-life of the reaction is dash. So half-life equals to 0.693 by K. And when we put the values, we get 1.26 into 10 to the power 14 seconds as the answer. Next, what is the wrong equation of the rate constant for zero order reaction? We know that the equation for zero order reaction is K equals to R0 minus R upon T. So all these three equations are correct, and this is the wrong equation. So the answer is A option. Next, At 298 Kelvin temperature in Nernst equation, 0.059 value is of. So the answer is 2.303 RT by F. D. Next, if 22 gram benzene is dissolved in 222 gram tetrachloride, then concentration in W by W is dash. So we can calculate it by 22 divided by total mass, that is 22 plus 222 and multiplied by 100, we get the answer 9%, B option. Next, which of the following is example of sole? Milk, paint, jellies or fog? Answer is B, paint. Next, on the basis of Hardy-Suzee rule, which of the following ion has the highest coagulating power for positive sole? FeCN6 4 minus, PO4 3 minus, SO4 2 minus or Cl minus? So the answer is A, FeCN6 4 minus. Next, find out the positive charge sole. Sole of starch, metal, acid dyestuffs or hemoglobin. It is positive charge sole, so the answer is D, hemoglobin. Next, Friendlich adsorption isotherm is given by which formula? Answer is C, X by M equals to Kp raised to 1 by L. Next, zone refining method is used for purification of dash and dash metals. Ge or iron, Cu or Si, iron or Ni, Fe or Ge. Answer is A, Ge and iron, germanium and indium. Which of the following is used as depressant in fourth flotation method? HCN, NaCN, CuS or ZNS? Answer is B, NaCN. Next, peroxo bond is present in which? H2S2O7, H2SO4, H2S2O8 or H2SO3? Answer is C, H2S2O8. Next, which of the following compounds has square planar structure? XeOF4, XeF4, XeF6 or XeF2? Answer is B, XeF4. Next, Brown ring test is used for which? NO3 minus, Cl minus, NO2 minus or Br minus? Answer is A, NO3 minus. Next, Cu2 plus aqueous sole has dash color, yellow, blue, green or violet? It is blue, B option. Next, what is the electronic configuration of Cr? Ar3d44s0, Ar3d44s2, Ar3d54s0 or Ar3d54s1? Answer is D, Ar3d54s1. Next, which of the following compounds does not show optical activity? Cis PtCl2En22 plus, cis CrCl2OX2 3 minus, cis FeNH3 twice Cn4 minus or cis CoBr2En2 plus? Answer is C, cis FeNH3 twice Cn4 minus. Next, complexes CONH35SO4Br and CONH35Br SO4 are example of dash isomerism: solvate, ionization, coordination or linkage? Answer is B, ionization. Next, which of the following is not a chelating ligand? Ethane 1,2-diamine, oxalato, EDTA or NH3? Answer is D, NH3. Next, predict the reactivity order of the following compounds towards the SN1 reaction: CH3, CH2, CH2Br, CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH3 and CH3 thrice CBr. So the order is B, 1, 2 and 3, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br, CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH3 and CH3 thrice CBr. Next, which of the following reagent is used in preparation of haloalkanes? Cu2Cl2, SoCl2, NaNO2 plus HCl or Ki? So the answer is B, SoCl2. Next, what is the product of reaction between chloroethane and sodium metal in dry ether? Butane, ethane, propane or methane? Answer is A, butane. Next, reaction for preparation in alkyl iodide from alkyl chloride is known as Finkelstein's reaction, B option. Next, from which of the following organic compounds phenol cannot be prepared? Toluene, chlorobenzene, benzene sulfonic acid or isopropyl benzene? So the answer is A, toluene. Thanks for watching the video.